How to connect two Bluetooth speakers to one Samsung S24 Ultra phone using dual audio mode feature, which is a hidden feature that will only be available if you set it up correctly. This is only available for flagship tier phones, for Samsung phones, and let's get started. So first you want to pair up your speakers like you would connect them all the time to the Bluetooth settings. So go into the Bluetooth settings of your Samsung phone. You'll go ahead into the quick panel access. You'll see the Bluetooth toggle, just long press it. That'll take you to this view mode here. You can turn it on from here or go to details. Go into details and turn it on from here. Once it's on, it's gonna start searching for nearby devices. You'll go ahead and pair up your very first speaker, and it can be any brand. It works for just about every speaker. So I'll pair up my mini speaker here, my Sony speaker here. It's gonna show up right here. I'll press this to connect it. It'll say pairing. And of course, we'll get the pairing request. We'll just press pair so that it'll connect. Okay, so we have our first speaker connected. We'll now go ahead and connect our second speaker, and I'll show you something when I finish that, all right? So you can go ahead and connect your speaker while I do this. So I'll scan now for the second speaker as I got it on to pairing mode here, and you'll wait for it to show up. So this here is the TG111 speaker. When I tap on it, it'll get the pairing request. Wait for that. And then you'll see this, press pair. Now, when it's fully connected, the first thing you'll notice is that they're both saying connected in the highlighted color that it is when it's connected to something, okay? So it's connected to your phone and both speakers are connected at the moment, and that's how you know your phone has the dual audio mode. The next thing you need to do now is find the media output option, which when you pull this down once, you should see this here. If you don't see that there on your S24, you'll simply bring it down twice, tap here on this edit icon here, and you'll see device control media output right here. Tap on that once, make sure it's set to this option here. And once you're done with that, you can just simply come out of this here, then use the quick panel access again, tap on media output. You need to go here so you can see the current connected devices. When you first come into it, the last connected speaker will have it selected, and you're gonna also see the second, or the first speaker, I should say, that was connected to, which is still connected. You'll tap on the circle, and you'll now notice that they're both connected and ready to use. So what I'm gonna do now is play a song here for you. So the first thing you'll notice is when they are in dual audio mode is when you press the volume control here, you can control both of them here from this panel here, okay? You'll see the one speaker name to the top here when you control it to let you know which one you're controlling, and you'll also see the other one here. Now, one thing you'll also notice is that they might be a bit off sync, and that also depends on your Bluetooth device for the speaker, meaning if it's Bluetooth 4, 5, 5.1, that will also determine the synchronicity of the two speakers, if that's the best way to put them, okay? But once you unpair them and reconnect them a second time, that usually helps with the sync and they'll sound a little bit better. But if this guide helped you out in any way, please do hit that like and subscribe, okay? So thanks for watching and see you around.